Today on my way to work I saw a massive advertising banner and I was wondering if our machines can cut such oversized formats. I mean, certainly our machines are pretty large, but are they big enough to cut those oversized formats?
We can't cut it in one go, but we will do separate cutting. Right now I have this printed material on my working area and on my conveyor system. So I do a 3.20 m cut. Then I do a paging of the material, and after that I do a continuous cut of the rest. And with that method, I can cut such large parts on our machines.
Okay, let's take a closer look.
As you can see here, the two cutting lines are matching quite perfectly to each other. So this is quite a good result on this kind of material.
Is it always that precise?
Normally, yes, but some materials are a bit more critical. But we have a software function which will help us to make sure that we are cut it through. And this is called a segment helper. This is the red line will be added to our cutting line, and this will make sure that the two lines are definitely cut apart, so we can take out the piece without having some single things.
Thank you so much.